Hello guys. Hi.
Okay, hi, Nulai.
Hi. So yes, we are back with another video, and this video is related to veterinary. Yes.
Let's go.
So you have so many questions, and we three will try to answer all your doubts, and I hope it will be helpful. So the first question was key.
What is the eligibility criteria for CET?
So eligibility criteria for CET UG, AAU CET UG is that you have to get 50% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and biology. Okay? PCB, and you have to pass separately theory and the practical portion. Like
Some people had the doubt that like if they didn't pass the theory and they didn't pass the practical, so can they get the seat? So the answer is no. You can check the information bulletin for more like reference, but it is mentioned there that you have to pass both practical and theory separately to be eligible to appear the exam.
यस आप लोगों को दोनों मतलब थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल पास करना पड़ेगा एंड एग्रीगेट यू हैव टू गेट 50% एंड you have to be resident of Assam. Like only people of Assam, students of Assam can appear for this AAU CET exam. Out of state, they can come to VCI, like Veterinary Council of India. Your NEET score, I think 550-60 will be the safe score to come here to VCI. Okay, and NEC is also there.
और ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आसाम बाहर के लोग ही बीसीआई के थ्रू आ सकते हैं, आसाम के लोग भी आ सकते हैं चाहो तो, पर it's better to like give the AU exam. Yeah, it's more easier. I should say.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can also come through VCI, but that will be like you will be considered in the whole India, all India rank. So. Yeah. And for the second question, we have like what is the syllabus for this upcoming AU CET exam?
So Drishti will tell you about the syllabus. Yes.
The syllabus is actually the physics, chemistry and biology only, PCB. And about the reduced syllabus, it is not mentioned in the information bulletin that these are the chapters that will come. So I suggest you to study like everything only which are there, and it is easy. Okay, it is comparatively easy. Like everyone, like we are saying only continuously, so no need to take any tension. Just study everything. And for biology, just go through the NCERT, just textbooks. And chemistry and physics, I guess physics basically it will be formula based only the formulas. No need to study or do the complex questions. No need to go there. Only do the those formula, only see the formula. I hope you have made that formula book by yourself, so just see that those formula, and give more weightage on modern physics. In our time, modern physics had the most weightage.
Modern physics and electricity.
Yeah, means those easy the chapters will come basically, and the basics thing. And
chemistry.
yeah, for like
organic.
NCERT, see NCERT, and chemistry also see NCERT only. No need to study so much.
For organic also, you can just go for the NCERT.
Easy
Yeah,
questions.
only
The
NCERT.
formulas and reactions.
Yeah,
they
and
will-
like those
basically
reaction sheets, if you have made it, then just revise everything and come. And for PYQs, like we
Like you all
yeah.
are asking us
About the PYQs, but the-
where we will get the PYQs.
But the truth is that we don't have it, because we had our exam was computer based, so we don't remember the questions now.
Even we tried to search in Google
Yeah,
and all.
Google
but
also.
yeah,
The
it
questions are not accurate.
Yeah,
So just
wasn't
study
the correction.
the thing.
and yeah, you were asking me about that some extra questions also come in the examination. So those are easy questions, right? Related
those
to
are, yeah.
agriculture.
It's just a general knowledge thing.
Yeah.
Like world
Don't
environment
need
day.
to, yeah.
Yeah, even if you like think that oh no, like this out of the syllabus, I can't answer it. Just I left like 2 to 3 questions.
Yeah, I
that
also
are-
left.
Those
Like,
are out of question. and,
yeah,
like,
it was
it
just
didn't
very
like affect that much.
the general knowledge which are related to
Yeah.
agriculture mostly that
So,
came.
Yeah, you don't need to buy any.
Yeah,
like,
no need to do
book.
anything.
Yeah,
Just
for this
just study the
course,
NCERT things. So I believe in one thing, that is the quality over quantity. That is, you don't have to study so much books. Okay, you don't have to do means everything, every book that comes in your way. Just do only the NCERT. Just revise it continuously, do the same sums only continuously. So give importance to this line.
Quality over quantity.
Oh, yes.
Quality over quantity. So just revise your basic concepts. That's it for this exam. So the cutoff, you were asking me about the cutoff. So cutoff for general is that if you are general, then if you get 35 to 40 rank, like you will be having 160 marks total. And I think, and out of 160, like we don't have the marks now because they
They give only percentile, not marks.
not marks, but you are asking like you want to know idea about marks. So marks, I think out of 160 you have to get 150, 140 to 150 for
For
general.
general,
You will get, then you will get, I think, a good rank of 35 to 40 rank. And then if you are EWS, then the safe rank, I'm telling about the first counseling, okay? So for the safe rank for EWS is
Up to
160,
60, I guess.
60.
For general,
No,
it's
50.
40 or 50.
Huh.
And for EWS, only 10 more like ranks up to may go.
And for OBC it's 300.
Yeah, it's no 300, 200 or 250.
250 is the
not
same.
300. Okay, up to 250, I guess.
OBC, for OBC it's 250, and
You should have NCL.
but you should have NCL. But if
NCL.
you are from, like, if you have one more quota, like if you are from Motok, Ahom, then you will be having like
That is
we'll talk-
different.
that is different. We'll talk about it later. For OBC NCL, it's 250 rank. Okay, it's safe. And then for SC it's 400. It's 400, right? 350 to 400. For ST planes, 600 up to 600 you will get, I think, if you are from ST planes. And if you are from ST hills, then you will get 900. If you are having 900 rank, then also you will get admission, because some of my friends are there who got admission here. So yeah, that's about the rank and marks. Like, try to get good marks. If you are from ST, if you are SC, ST, then try to get 100 plus out of 160. If you are OBC, then 130 plus. Then if you are general, then 130 to 140. Okay. So now we will talk about documents, and you will tell about the documents required. Yes.
So basically, the PRC takes time. Okay, now if you don't have a PRC, apply for it now, because it takes like 1 month, I guess, around 1 month. So it takes time. So yeah, they won't give admission. Like if you have when you apply for PRC, they give a receipt of PRC. So it's clearly written like before the counseling that with the receipt you can't enter. Okay, you need the proper PRC, like the whole certificate. So if you don't have a PRC, apply for it now, and then you'll need medical certificate. It's not like from any doctors or all. When you go to the AU portal, you'll have a specific format for the medical certificate. So you fill that up, and then go to a doctor, anyone like or some government hospital, then they will do it for you, and you'll need the sign of the doctor and all. And gap certificate also, it won't be from court and all, or some colleges you pass. You have a specific format for gap certificate also. I think when you fill that up, there's a space for gap certificate, and just below it there's a link AU gap certificate, this one. So
And
download.
yes, registration is going on.
Yeah,
It's
registration
till
going on.
6th June, okay?
So you can get it there, and so fill that gap certificate and go to nearby police station. You need a sign from OC, I think. Yeah. So yeah, you need
For,
that.
yeah. Then for OBC.
Yeah,
NCL.
for OBC you need NCL certificate. For
NCL is must. If you have a good rank but you don't have NCL, then you will not get CL.
yeah. So basically, if you are out of date and all, try to renew it before the counseling.
Yes. Try to renew it.
And for EWS, you need a EWS certificate. This caste, you need a caste certificate basically. Yeah. So basically, you'll need class 10 and class 12 certificate and mark sheet. So I think that's all. Yeah.
Oh, acknowledgement.
Yeah.
Then you will get it after when you a mark sheet for the result will come. That mark sheet you will be
Yeah.
getting. And you tell about the admission fees and yearly fees.
So the admission fees along with the hostel is 37,050 or 500 I have given.
It can be very now.
Yeah, it can vary, of course.
It may increase or decrease.
Like
I
it
don't know.
may,
Like for our time,
it
it
will
was
increase only. How it will decrease?
for our time it was 37,500 for with hostel.
Yes.
Like they
And
took
if you are
15,000
not
for
opting
hostel.
hostel,
Yeah.
then
Like
it
without
is
hostel, it will be like 22,000.
22,000. Yes.
22,500, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And for the whole year, you don't have to give anything.
You don't have to pay.
pay anything. Just
Except for
then,
mess
then
fees.
if
except for the
fees.
mess fees, and the mess fees is not much.
Not much,
Okay,
it's
it's like
affordable.
around 2,000
1,500
only.
to 2,000
Yeah,
for
1,500 to
depending upon
2,000
hostels.
depends upon the hostel.
And you are asking me like hostels, double room or single room is there? So it's of course
So-
not single room.
You won't get single room, it will be a double or triple.
Yeah,
depending
single
on
room तो
options.
नहीं मिलेगा तुम लोगों को.
हाँ.
It will be either single. Oh, sorry, it will be either
Double or triple. So oh yeah, so this is a 5.5 years course like this UGS, and you will be having your NCC. 3
Yeah.
years NCC is
Yeah.
compulsory. Like every Friday
Yeah.
from 6 to 8 you will be having NCC, and you have
Get ready for
Yeah,
that.
and you will get to
and it's
enjoy.
very much fun. No,
Yeah.
we enjoy. You will get food also. You will get food, and
So yeah, like in the comments there were some questions like some people may be afraid of some animals, like they have a phobia of dogs and all. So
so
can
she
they
was-
like make it
so-
here? So yeah.
she can tell you about it very clearly
Because I was also afraid of animals before joining here. But now, like with time, I'm adjusting with like everything. Okay, and you have to take it as a challenge. To like at first, I was like afraid of animals. Okay, and I never thought of coming veterinary, like joining veterinary. But like I don't know. Maybe it was in my luck only. I came here, and then now like the first challenge was of course like I'm studying this. Okay, studying is also a challenge. Okay, and the other challenge is means the animals. I have to deal with animals. So with time I am learning and I'm adjusting, and yes, now I'm enjoying the process. Okay, it is a part of life, and you
And
have
it's
to
not
go.
like just after you come, you will have to deal with dogs and all. So
Yeah,
don't worry.
after coming only you will
It's
not
a
get.
very
It
slow
is a
process.
very slow process, and you will actually
you
enjoy.
have fun. Yeah, you like enjoy.
And at like means after 5.5 years you will say that oh I was afraid of animals now.
Now
Say-
I'm
Now
very-
it is so.
You'll say, was I
like,
afraid of dogs?
oh yeah. It will be like that.
Yeah.
So, yes.
They were asking me about the timing of classes. Like after getting admission here,
Like we are in first year, so
Yeah.
we have our classes from
From
9 till 4:30.
4:30.
So
And-
sometimes we get off classes also. Sometimes.
Like they just after you come, they divide you into groups. Like the theory classes you have to do in like as a batch whole, but the practical classes you'll have to do in groups.
you will be
So, yeah.
having
This
3
is
subjects.
3 subjects in first year.
In
So
first year, you will be having 3 subjects.
so depending upon the groups, like you will have
Your own timing.
own timing,
Because
like some-
here practicals are given more
Yeah,
like importance.
more weight
That's
of-
why.
sometimes like we get off at 2:30 and sometimes we have to stay till
Yeah.
4:30.
But the official timing is from 9 till 4:30 evening.
You'll get 1 hour,
Yes.
1.5 hour gap.
Yeah.
And second
And
Saturday
break
and
is
fourth
there.
Saturday.
Yes.
Second Saturday and fourth Saturday.
Yeah,
you will
there's no
there's
classes.
There's no classes.
You can have fun out
Yeah.
there.
So it's basically good here. Like they conduct many events and all in the meantime. So yeah.
Like in my if you check my channel, then you can see like
Yeah.
ACM video is there, like cricket
Yeah.
matches,
And
volleyball
there are
matches.
so many functions.
So yeah, time
you
flies
can
here.
grow here.
Yeah,
you
you
can grow
can
here. Like,
definitely
and
grow
you will
here.
be having like so many good friends like out of Assam also.
We tried to cover most of your questions. So if you have any more questions, feel free to
You
ask.
can DM us.
Don't DM us. Just put in the comments.
We are so busy. We have our final exams, guys.
You can DM us.
Yes, yes, we have our
It is
final exam.
important, yeah.
If you have any more doubt, like you just ask us within this week. After that, we will be unavailable. no, it's not
So
like
just-
that. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
So basically, we tried to cover all your questions. If you have any more questions, try to ask. Maybe like we try to say everything from our knowledge, and if we did make any mistakes, we'll soon correct
Please
you.
forgive us.
Yeah, we'll surely make sure to correct us
And the next
provide you the
video,
right
next
information.
video will be of scope. Okay?
Yeah.
Veterinary scope. Your future is secure or not, you will get to
Yes.
know in this scope video. And of course, your future is secure. You will get to know how. Okay? So bye bye. I
Bye-bye.
hope it's helpful for you. We love you guys. Bye bye.